Hello everyone, Matthew here at our Cincinnati Bell Now Altafiber store in Kenwood, here to unveil the new Sonos Ray that just came in. Just got it today, excited to unbox it, show you what comes inside. Let's dig in. So this speaker is $279, which is a very, very inexpensive entryway into getting Sonos in your house. And as we can see, I'm already struggling by not reading the directions that clearly have a strip that you should have pulled. It's about $170, exactly $170 cheaper or less expensive than the Sonos Beam. So you still get the great sound. It's a little bit smaller. It's definitely lightweight. You can kind of see great for a smaller room, rec room. You can see it still comes in its eco-friendly packaging that's recyclable. Looks very similar to the Beam. Definitely smaller, still has your buttons on the top as well as on the back. It has your easy setup button, your power supply, your optical cable, and then your LAN jack if you wanted to hardwire. So as far as what comes in the box, you got your power supply here. Got our directions on how to set it up, as well as our optical cable if we needed to use that. So these will just plug into the wall. This one will just plug into the back of your TV. From there you go into the Sonos app and set everything up. Goes over all your directions at a glance, which is pretty easy. Really download the app if you don't have it already. Set up an account and then it'll find everything and set it up for you. It also has true sound. Yeah, it's very small, very lightweight, easy to move from room to room if you needed to. Put it on your bill for up to 24 months or pay for it all at once. So we've got plenty in stock, and come and see us.